Hi, I'm Kyle Tingle with HIPOWER Systems, and today I'm going to walk you through the startup procedure for one of our EHR battery generators. So, as we come to the front panel, there's a quick start guide here. So always refer to this guide and follow the procedure. And I'm going to visually walk you through it here today. So step one is the battery connect switches. You always start with the first one, click that on, and we're going to come around. And in this case, this is a 3060 generator. It has 3 inverters. So we're going to do number 2 and number 3. They're all vertical and on. Then we can open up the bottom to where we get access to the batteries. And we're going to power the batteries on. Again, we always start with number 1 and go to the last. So here is the on for battery 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then back around to the other side. We got number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now all batteries are powered on. So we're going to let them initialize the startup sequence. We have to come back around and hit this red button on number 1 battery. Hit it, start seeing lights, and now we're going to wait for all of those to go through their boot up process. Once we get rid of all the red lights, then we're able to proceed to the next step. And once they're done, you'll notice green lights here. That's kind of a reference of the charge level of the batteries. So you can see this is fairly charged because there's 5 lights on. So that gives you a good indication there. But again, we're waiting for all of these to get synced up and get rid of all the red lights. So all the red lights are gone. Now we proceed to the next step, which is powering on the inverters. So U1 is inverter number 1. And then we're going to come back around to this side. And we're going to do U2, on is up, U3, on is up. Make sure you have green lights on all the inverters. Now we can proceed to the last step, which is to power on the HIPOWER controller. And you'll see that go through an initialization process. Once it's booted up, then you will be ready to go in standby mode. So with that, again, back to this quick start guide. This, if you forget, tells you the 1 through 5 process we just went through. And then when you go to power off, you will do everything in reverse. So it tells you right there that you'll start with the HIPOWER, and then the inverters, then the batteries, then the disconnect. So with that, thanks for your time, and let us know how we can help. We have a full line of EHR battery generators, starting with a 2040, we've got a 3060, 4060, and we've got larger ones with paralleling capability soon to come. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.